How to delete Instagram account permanently. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the profile option given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to the profile page, at the top right corner, you will find three bars. Click on it. Now click on the option of account center. Head towards this option personal details. Now click on this option account ownership and control. Click on the option deactivation or deletion. Click on your username. Now check in for this option of delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. Click on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your account. Once you check in for any of the reason, click on continue. Now over here you will need to type in your Instagram account's password and click on continue. With that your account will be scheduled for deletion and after completion of 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So this is how you can easily delete Instagram account permanently. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.